Alright, so everybody, this is the Black Castor Oil that I used. I found it in a beauty supply store. As you can see, it is $7.99. This is the only thing that I used. Like, y'all, really? If y'all can see my eyelashes now, this is only after one night. And I don't know if I recorded before one night, but with these results, I'm sure you'll see an even more increase. Stay tuned. This is day 2, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You guys see that top and bottom of the cloth? This is amazing. Alright guys, it is day 3. And as you can see, looking up towards the ceiling, the white, they are still growing. You can see it against the white door. You see the length. And guys, I am strictly only using the castor oil. This is no mascara or anything. So guys, I am just showing you how I like just basically take some and put it on my finger and make sure I saturate my eyes. Top and bottom lash with it before bed. Everybody, today is day 7. I'm just gonna kind of close my eyes so you guys can see. Turning towards the wall. You see the fullness and the length of the top and the bottom. This stuff really works.